welcome back to the channel Tiny Bit. So right now it is about to be 6:30 and I'm out in this beautiful nature as I just want to start my day with this beautiful, vibration with the bird chirping and this greenery view. And actually I'm just roaming all around, like I was trying to do this intro, like आज intro हो ही नहीं पा रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों intro, मतलब it was taking time a lot because my mind has slowed down a bit. So yeah, that is the thing. And another thing is, like in my room, like I have room partner, and that is a great thing for now, for this 18 days. Like it's been so long that कि मेरे साथ कोई नहीं रहता था, मतलब मैं पता नहीं कैसे ना कैसे सिंगल रूम अरेंज हो जाता था. Like literally I don't want to stay in single room, but still like somehow I got the chance to stay in single room always, as always, in my graduation or in my masters. So somehow I got a chance to stay with my room partner right now, and that is a very great feeling, and I'm happy with that. Like you can see the sunlight, like it's just 6:30. It's a right now it is about to be 11 and like it's our breakfast time. At 11 o'clock we are having breakfast. Mango, kacha mango, and this bread which is brought by Ankita. और इसको कितना भूख लगी थी तुम बोलो. जब ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं मिलता है ना, लाइक अलग ही पेट को भी पता है कि ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं मिलने वाला है, तो जल्दी जल्दी भूख लग जाता है. तो स्किप करते रहते. हाँ, मैं कितना स्किप करती हूँ, और सुबह सुबह मैं इसका बिस्किट निकाल के खा रही हूँ.
हम लोग फाइनली खाना खाने जा रहे हैं.
तो कितना भूख लगा है,
बहुत ज़्यादा.
इसलिए सबसे पहले निकल गए. 2 बजने वाला है. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Tiny Bit. So right now it is 8:15 and like I am all fresh, I'm all energized today, early in the morning, and like wake up late, but still, I am just going with the flow. But like it is just very hard to compromise on things, like like you have just left the comfort zone and you're in another room, and it feels like very like heartbreaking sometimes, but still I'm trying to adjust. And right now I'm just heading out. हमारा breakfast नहीं मिलता है अभी यहाँ पे, तो breakfast और snacks के लिए you have to make the arrangement by yourself. So like I'm just going to like bring some of the stuff that breakfast के लिए अच्छा रहे. Like let's try to be healthy, okay? And so So guys, right now it is 12:49 and I'm just struggling to study very hard. Like it's very hard to study here. I cannot think about it before, but right now I'm feeling it's so difficult. I couldn't able to manage one time for my studies. Even right now it's just struggling and suffering. Like I don't know what kind of pain it is, but like it is very hard. I feel this, it's real hard, but still I'm trying. I'm like, I have to stop vlogging this 2 days. Like I don't know, like I've just missed the track, but still I'm trying to continue. And right now I just woke up from the sleep, as I never sleep in daytime, but after shifting to this place, like there is a change that I'm sleeping in daytime for almost 4-5 hours. Guys, what's up? So right now I am out to do japa, and मेरा दिन आज का like इतना खास नहीं जा रहा था, पर आफ्टर माई लंच थोड़ा अच्छा जाने लगा. तो मैं आई एम हैप्पी एंड और तो क्या बोले. सो लेट्स डू द japa for now and I'll catch you guys later. I'm just done with my chanting and I'm just sitting at this ground. As you can see, like it feels so good, you know. It feels so peace and calm within. And what to say, like यहाँ पे दो भाई और बहन like एक क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे तो फिर they are just asking me to play cricket but I was doing chanting so I just ignored them. But right now I'm just going to play cricket. So let's go and play cricket. Let's have fun. So I'm going to play cricket with him. तुम भी यूट्यूबर हो क्या? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Tiny Bits and good morning to all my viewers. Right now it is 7 a.m. and I just woke up and I'm heading to ground. Like I'm taking myself ground because you know, like since from like last 3-4 days I was not doing all fine. I was not pushing myself and from today I am all energized and I want to push myself more harder, you know. Like right now I am just done with stretching thing and I'm feeling so good after all, you know. Like instead of complaining, instead of blaming people or blaming my own self, is just doing things which just fit for me, and doing something is better than doing nothing. So that is the motto for today. And let's go to the room and shower and let's be active whole day. Let's try to be active whole day. So my room is at second floor and we have to walk through the steps, as you can see. So there are 50 steps to get to second floor. That is just an exercise, you know. So let's go and let's shower. So this is my corridor. As you can see, this is my corridor. And this is my room. Reservoir. So another thing, I got to my room and यहाँ से view ऐसा दिखता है. It's all greenery, greenery, greenery. I regularly, you know, come and say good morning to my beautiful nature. Like I was like this, good morning to beautiful friends. I was like this early in the morning. Like once I woke up and then I suddenly come to this place and like I talk to this pretty greenery, pretty friends of mine. So they are my friends for 18 days. It look like this. It's all green and like यहाँ से इतना fresh air मतलब pass होता है. Like it feels like very good after all. So this is the breakfast for today. As you can see, this is mixed vegetables and this is sattu and मैं सत्तू के साथ mix करके खाऊंगी आज के लिए. And यहाँ पे एक lemon भी है. So hey guys, right now it is 11:36 and right now I'm just starting and like we have started studying from 10 a.m. exactly, but you know right now it feels like very sleepy. Like यहाँ इतना गर्मी है कि I cannot tell you guys. Or like as my roommate is just right now studying but right now she's sleeping. She feels very sleepy, so that's why like she is just taking a like power nap, I guess. And seeing this, I feel like sleeping, but I have to remind myself today I cannot give up on myself, and I have to give 100%. So that is the thing. So I won't sleep. This is a reminder for myself. मैंने सोचा था कि मैं नहीं सोऊंगी, पर this girl sleeps and मैं भी सो गई. सोई तो मैं. इसको पता ही नहीं मैं सोई हूँ.